In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the PS5 error. Something went wrong with the game or app when you're trying to play it. So the first thing you want to do is update the game or app by pressing the Start or Options button on your controller, and then you want to go to check for update. Now, if it's running the latest version, that's great. The next thing we're going to do is go to Settings in the top right corner, and then you want to scroll down to System, go to System Software, and System Software Update and Settings, and make sure your console is up to date. Now, if it is, the next thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, and you want to turn off your console fully. Then what you want to do is press and hold the power button until you get 2 beeps in total, and this will bring you into safe mode. Now, once you're in safe mode, you'll have to connect your controller with the USB cable to your PlayStation, and then what you want to do is navigate the safe mode menu and select Rebuild Database. Now, if you're still getting this error, head back onto your system, and then we're going to go to Settings again. And then once you're here, you want to go to System, and what you want to do is scroll over and go down to Reset Options, and then you may want to reset your console, but do bear in mind, this is going to remove all data saved on the console, as well as all the profiles, so it'll be like brand new. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.